Hi, I'm Carson Manning. I invented a product called Insta-Fix, and let me tell you a little bit what Insta-Fix is. This is a product that I really developed and came up with over many years of trial and tribulations, because when something would break at your home, you would go and try to buy different adhesives or glues and nothing would work. I would get calls all the time about how I need to buy a wood glue, how I need to buy a glue that would do plastic, a glue that, well, you don't have to do that anymore. Insta-Fix is incredible because it works on everything, and hence the name Insta is because it works instantly. And I mean that. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works right now. So what I have here is just a piece of rubber. This will work on any material, steel, rubber, leather, like I was saying, even masonry products. So all I did is I cut that, and I'm going to put just a tiny little bit, and that's the key. Do not put a lot. You only need a tiny little bit. And the best part about this product is you don't even have to worry about putting the lid on because it doesn't even dry up. That's it. Only put the lid on when I put it away. Now, I've only put a small amount. I'm not worrying about it drying on me. I'm going to shake it a little bit off because I don't need a lot. Now, all I'm doing is I'm squeezing the oxygen, which I'm removing it all. So as soon as I can see a little air bubble there. As soon as it dries and the oxygen is removed, you pull it. And trust me, I am pulling this.
Call right now and we'll rush shipping and handling. Your Insta-Fix will ship within the next 24 hours. What are you waiting for? Don't miss your chance to get the most amazing adhesive discovery in over 30 years.